Hello everyone. It is today May 28th and those little ones are about 14 or 15 days old. So they are not that small anymore. I wonder when they are going to leave the nest, because they are a little bit too big for it now. I recorded this video with a camcorder, but I have the mic on in front of the computer, so it's kind of live recording what I'm doing with commenting. Now this one is bigger than the other one, who is always kind of silent. This one is rather wild. And today there were two big raven circling across the flower pot or on a certain distance, and the mother dove was very alert. She lured them away, or she did other things that were in protection of her children. So I won't make it too long, guys, because this is high resolution and it takes a long time to render, but I'm sure the pictures are great, will be great. Thank you for looking.